Ready? Let's go.
Happy birthday, Sky. I wish you have a good day and you happy happy 7th birthday, Sky. Happy birthday, Sky. I hope you have a good life and good day. And happy 7th birthday. Happy birthday, Sky. Happy birthday, Sky.
Happy birthday, Sky!
Happy birthday, Sky! May your day filled with laughter, games, and lot of surprises. And again, happy birthday!
Love you! Dali na! Nak, ikaw nak! Ikaw! Happy birthday, Kuya! Happy birthday, Kuya Sky! Kuya! Pero nak! Ang dila naglabas. Gina! Sino happy birthday? Ano? Mama na lang. Happy birthday, Kuya! I love you!
Happy birthday, Sky!
Hi Sky, happy birthday. Wish na ko sa mo na kay good health, stay gwapo. Pagpagwapo, padayon sa imong pag-eskwela, pagpadayon sa imong pagbinutan, more births to come. I miss you so much. I love you.
Happy birthday, Sky.
Happy birthday, Sky!
Happy birthday, love! Mag-wish si Daddy.
Wish na ko dong para sa inyo pag binukad community o pray kay God community. Center ni mo na si God. Sa imuhang pangandoy. Respeto po sa ginikanan. Respeto sa ubang tao, ano? Mga ginapo ang makuhan sa mga mahatag sa mga mahuman imong pag-eskwela. Ano po ang pamana sa mga
Unta, love ka na mas i-bless pa ka ng Lord, ni Jesus, sa mga blessings o i-protect ka niya permanently sa mga against bad situations. Unta, permanently mo isipo na love kay ka ni Daddy, tapos ihatag na mo tanan sa imuha. So, utong sa makaya, dili ka gusto magpahanda kay nahigira. So, wala ka prepare yun na Daddy ana. O unta, i-bless pa dyan ka sa Ginoo o daghan pang mga tuig na kauban namo. O palangga ka namo ni Aria, ni Daddy. Unta, mas mukuan na to ang love sa family. So, happy birthday, love. Unta, mag-enjoy ka sa imong day o ganahan ka sa mga gifts na prepare ni Mami o ni Daddy sa imo. So, happy birthday. Love you.
One very special is turning 7 today, and we couldn't miss the chance to celebrate with you.
You're officially 7 today. How amazing is that? I hope your birthday is packed with fun, laughter, and all your favorite things from start to finish.
May your day be filled with exciting surprises, yummy treats, and lots of happy moments you'll always remember. Here's a birthday song for you, Skyzer Laurent. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Skyzer Lauren. Happy birthday to you.
Let's blow your birthday candles together.
It's party time! The Loud House family hopes your birthday is as fun and lively as our house. Happy 7th birthday, Skyzer Lawrence!
Hey, it's your birthday, and I couldn't miss it for anything. Let's make it the best day ever in Bikini Bottom!
Hey there, birthday gamer!
We heard you're turning 7 today.
So get ready to level up and celebrate in the most awesome way. Happy birthday! Hey, your birthday is spawned, and it's time to build amazing memories and have tons of fun. Happy 7th birthday, Skyzer Lauren!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Skyzer Lauren! Happy birthday to you!